The DJI Pocket 4 is quickly turning into one of the most anticipated releases from DJI, and fresh leaks coming straight out of Shenzhen have only amplified the excitement. According to new reports, DJI employees were recently spotted testing the Osmo Pocket 4 beside the Pocket 3 inside a DJI retail store in China. This wasn't just someone casually playing around with a prototype, it looked like a deliberate pre-launch performance check, the kind DJI does right before a major unveiling. Rumors of the Pocket 4 began circulating months ago when drone insider Igor Bogdanov dropped early hints about an NDA and promotional footage supposedly shot in Barcelona. Not long after, images of what seemed to be the device's final design started surfacing online. Then, toward the end of October 2025, sources confirmed the Pocket 4 had officially moved into full production, setting up a release window expected toward the end of the year. And now, with new footage from Shenzhen revealing side-by-side low-light tests, we finally have the clearest preview yet of what DJI has been cooking up. Something slim, powerful, and surprisingly refined is on its way, and it might just reshape what a true pocket camera can be. The latest leak out of Shenzhen offers our best look so far at the Osmo Pocket 4, and what's instantly noticeable is how DJI has redesigned the device from the ground up. In the leaked images, a DJI employee, or possibly a beta tester, is seen running the Pocket 4 next to the Pocket 3, capturing low-light shots in a real urban environment. Judging by the scene, this appears to be a stress test for the upgraded sensor and stabilization system, pushing the new hardware to its limits before launch. Design-wise, the Pocket 4 looks much sleeker and noticeably slimmer than the Pocket 3. The iconic boxy silhouette has been refined into something more ergonomic and streamlined. The lighter frame suggests DJI has reworked the internal structure, probably redesigning the gimbal architecture or redistributing components for improved comfort and stability during long shoots. The control layout beneath the screen also seems to have been updated, although the leaked image quality makes details a bit unclear. Still, the overall impression is that the Pocket 4 is a more polished, modern take on DJI's handheld camera lineup. Another major sign of progress is the appearance of a finalized safety and battery document, which usually means DJI has completed the main hardware phase and is well into real-world reliability testing. That stage typically lands only a short time before launch, adding more weight to the ongoing rumors. There are also whispers about a potential Pro variant coming later, possibly featuring dual-lens capability and higher resolution recording, while the standard Pocket 4 focuses on balancing performance with portability. Battery life is expected to see improvements as well, with longer shooting sessions and better efficiency during low-light recording. All these changes send a clear message to big competitors like Insta360, GoPro, and Vivo. DJI has no intention of stepping back from the compact camera race. With enhanced low-light performance, refined stabilization, and a noticeably lighter design, the Pocket 4 could represent DJI's most balanced and practical pocket camera yet. Alongside this, anticipation continues to grow for another big reveal: DJI's Osmo Action 6. Recently leaked hands-on images show the Action 6 prototype lined up next to the Action 5 Pro, revealing a taller, thicker design engineered for superior heat management. DJI appears to have built a new internal metallic frame that acts as a heat sink, hinting at a bigger sensor and a more powerful processing system. The lens housing has also been redesigned with a deeper bezel and more industrial finish, likely improving low-light performance and color accuracy. Familiar touches return as well, like the quick-release cage design and essential waterproof reminders. The camera box reportedly includes updated accessories, including the Osmo locking screw and curved mount. The biggest reported upgrade is the new sensor, significantly larger than the previous one, promising major gains in brightness, sharpness, dynamic range, and overall cinematic feel. For travelers, vloggers, and action sports creators, this could be a noticeable step forward in how DJI handles challenging lighting conditions. Battery performance is another key focus. Early details suggest improved endurance for extended, high-resolution shooting, ideal for long adventures without constant recharging. And with durability remaining a top priority, the Action 6 keeps the ruggedness and water resistance that fans expect. So the real question becomes, which device fits your next adventure? The Action 5 Pro remains a proven powerhouse, delivering reliable quality and stability. But the Action 6 hints at the future: higher resolution, more intelligent stabilization, and smarter integration for creators who want the latest edge. In the end, it all comes down to your shooting style. Stick with what's tried and trusted, or step into the next generation of action filmmaking. Which side are you leaning toward? And that wraps up our deep dive here on Technify. With the DJI Pocket 4 and Action 6 both making waves even before their official unveiling, it's clear the next era of compact cameras is already taking shape. DJI has been quietly refining designs, boosting performance, and pushing boundaries, and these leaks give us a thrilling preview of what's coming. Whether you're a traveler, filmmaker, vlogger, or action sports enthusiast, the upcoming lineup promises something game-changing for everyone. The Pocket 4 is shaping up to be slimmer, smarter, and more capable than anything in its category, while the Action 6 appears ready to set a new standard for rugged high-detail recording. So now the choice is yours. Do you want the streamlined creativity machine of the Pocket series, or the adrenaline-ready power of the Action lineup? Either way, DJI is raising the bar, and your next adventure is about to look better than ever. Let me know what you think and which one you're excited for. The conversation continues right here on Technify.